Hello, assalamu alaikum dosto, how are you? Today I am bring for you Samsung Galaxy J5s, brand new. You see that box. It have 4G Lite, 1.2 GHz processor, 13 megapixel camera, 5.2 HD LED and 16 GB memory. It have, let's see. Now I am opening box. Let's see what inside in this box and how the phone it work. Bismillah. See, this is our new Galaxy Samsung J5s metal screen, Super AMOLED, 13 megapixel and 5 megapixel front camera. Now let's see inside. It give one original headphone Samsung, one USB cable and one adapter, Samsung original adapter. Now let's see this phone. Screen is very good, side also very good, back side. Volume up and down, fork, this is down, headphone, charger and sensor. Let's open the phone. Now let's see. Open the phone, then next. Email no need, Skype no need, connect net no need, connect, next, no need, next, later. Now it's opening. Now finish. Now see later. See camera clarity also. See the clarity, very good. Now see this. See, yes, zoom. Now see front camera. And let's go to setting. Let's see our Android about phone J5 2016, software info, 6.0.1 Android, Nox 2 April 2020, J510F 2016 phone. This is my channel ZST Hindi. Please subscribe my channel and I will give you new videos. 1 week, 2 week I will upload my new videos. Okay, so please subscribe my channel ZST Hindi. Like, share and subscribe please. Okay, goodbye, Allah Hafiz.